Apricot Scone round. For this you will need 50 grams of dried apricots chopped, 225 grams of plain all-purpose flour, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of ground cinnamon, 50 grams of light soft brown sugar, 50 grams of butter, 150 milliliters of milk, the milk for glazing. Add the baking powder, the salt, and the cinnamon to the flour. Give it a stir. Stir in the sugar. Now rub in the breadcrumbs until it looks like butter. Rub in the butter until it looks like breadcrumbs. Now stir in the apricots. Make a well in the center. Add most of the milk and mix it with a round bladed knife. You want to add just enough milk to bind the dough together. You don't want it too wet or too dry. What about 10-20 mils left? You want to flour your work surface. Turn the dough out onto it and form it into a round. You want to make it about ½ an inch thick. And it goes straight onto a greased baking tray. Using the tip of a floured knife, divide into 6 equal portions. Don't cut right through. One, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, equal. I'll do 8. Brush the top with milk. Bake for 20 to 25 minutes at gas mark 7, 425 degrees Fahrenheit, 220 degrees Celsius conventional oven, 200 degrees Celsius fan convection oven. And now for the taste test. This one. They're not bad, not quite sweet enough for me. Maybe a bit more sugar, but very good.
My pocketbook is empty and my heart just waiting for a train.